Okay, now we're going to look at an example of a 3 by 3 matrix. This is on page 3 of your notes. Let's see. Okay, we want to find the inverse of matrix A, and we're given this 3 by 3. Here's the step-by-step process written out here that we saw in the previous example. The first thing we're going to do is set the matrix up in this sort of doubly augmented, or it's actually going to be triply augmented, I guess, matrix, but we're gonna set it up with the matrix A on the left and the identity matrix on the right. So we've got, well, I'll go ahead and write the matrix here. 1, -1, 0, 1, 0, -1, 6, -2, -3. That's matrix A, and we want to find its inverse. Okay, well, I'm going to set up an augmented matrix with matrix A on the left, and I'm going to put the identity matrix, a 3 by 3 identity matrix, on the right. It should be a 1, of course. Whoops. Yeah, that should be a 1. Okay. Now the goal is to put this in reduced row echelon form. In other words, I want to get the identity matrix on the left. Okay, so I need to put it in reduced row echelon form. So my first step here is going to be -1 times row 1 plus row 2. Put it where row 2 is. So let's see, that'll be -1, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, plus row 2, that's 1, 0, -1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, -1. Okay, a lot of 1s and 0s. So let's see what we've got. Row 1 is the same, so 1, -1, 0. And row 2 is now 0, 1, -1, -1, 1, 0. Row 3 is the same. Okay, and so this one is good. This has now become a 0. That's good. This is now a 1, which is good. We now take on this 6. We want that to be a 0. So I'm going to do -6 times row 1 plus row 3 and make that my new row 3. Okay, so -6, 6, 0, -6, 0, 0. That's row 3, 6, -2, -3, 0, 0, 1. Okay, that's our new row 3. I'll scroll down. Okay, it's our new row 3, so row 1 remains the same. Okay, and now our row 3 has this 4 in it, which we want to make a 0. All right, so we're going to take that off by the row operation -4 times row 2 plus row 3. And that'll be the new row 3. Let me scroll down here a little bit. Okay, let's see. 0, -4, 4. I'm going to do these calculations kind of quick, and if I'm doing them too quick, you can always rewind the tape. So 0, 0, 1, 4 minus 6, negative 2. Okay, and that'll be our new row 3. So, and these are longer problems, so just hang in there. Again, a lot of rewriting, but we've hopefully kind of got used to that. A little bit cramped in there, but that's okay. Okay, so we've got it in row echelon form. We've got the diagonal of the 1s and then these 3 zeros here. Now we need that negative 1 to be a 0. That's already a 0. That's lucky. And then we want that to be a 0. We want basically to have an identity matrix here on the left. So I first need to tackle that negative 1. I need to make it a 0. So I'm going to use this one to cancel it out, to eliminate it. So I'm going to do negative 1 time, or no, I don't even need to do that. I'm just going to do row 3 plus row 2 and make it my new row 2. So it'll be 0, 0, 1, negative 2, negative 4, 1, 0, 1, negative 1, negative 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, that's my new row 2. We are almost there. I can see what I was doing. Okay, oh. Oops, okay. That's my new row 2, so 1, negative 1, 0. I don't know what that line's doing there. We can erase it. Yeah, okay. 1, negative 1, 0. 1, 0, 0. It's row 1. Oh, I'm sorry, that's my new row 2. 0, 1, 0, negative 3, negative 3, 1. And my row 3 is 0, 0, 1, negative 2, negative 4, 1. Alright? Okay. Now everything looks good except for this negative 1. And I can use this 1 to get rid of that negative 1. So I'm just one step away here. It's hard to get right. Okay. So I'm going to do row 2 plus row 1. Put it where row 1 is. So 0, 1, 0, negative 3, negative 3, 1, 1, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, negative 2, negative 3, 1. That's my new row 1. And when I've got that, everything is in place. I've got the left side has become the identity matrix. And so on the right, I've got my inverse. There we go. So again, left side's the identity matrix. That means on the right, this is my inverse matrix. So at this point I can stop. And I can say that my inverse matrix has been found. And there it is. There we go. All right.